SpinGun. First high-performance mechanic-electric weapon.
Why use SpinGun? With conventional weapons, it is necessary to use different ammunition calibers to increase the energy. With SpinGun, you reach variable speed with one bullet. No case, no powder, just bullet.
How it works. The speed is determined by revolution and radius. 100,000 RPM with a diameter of 5 centimeters achieves 500 meters per second. Increasing diameter, increase the speed. SpinGun rules the speed.
Simple, scalable for different use case. Future is now. SpinGun. Invented in Czech Republic.